Monica missed her ex, so she used a psychological priming method to make him think of her and message her. They chatted, and he asked her out for coffee, thinking it was all his idea, without the slightest clue that he had just been psychologically manipulated. Let me show you a quick demo of how she did it. Answer these questions in your head as fast as you can. What's 2 plus 2? 4 plus 4? 7 plus 7? 9 plus 6? Now think of a tool, a color, and a vegetable. Ready? 90% of people say hammer, red, and carrot. Not because they don't know any other tools, colors, or veggies, but because I used psychological priming to get your brain working in a super predictable way. By making you do quick math under pressure, your brain goes into a mode where it just blurts out the first thing that comes to mind. That's how you plant a message. Now, if instead of asking you to do math, I told you to think of a fruit while showing a yellow background with black letters, you'd probably think banana. But if I showed you a red background with black letters and a snake, you'd probably think apple. Or let's say I ask you to complete a four-letter word while showing you this image. Your mind might go one way. But if you had just seen this animal, you'd think something totally different. Your brain, and the brain of someone you like, are easy to steer. Now imagine this. You dream about someone, and when you wake up and open Instagram, you see a story from them with a question box that says, "Say hi if you've been thinking about me." You'd be like, "No way, I literally just dreamed about you. How come? How'd that happen?" Well, Monica pulled something very similar on her ex. She still had his Netflix password and added The Lion King to his watch list. That night, when he logged in, it popped up as the first suggestion, and he had no idea she'd planted it there. That movie was a big deal in their relationship. They watched it a bunch of times and sang along to the songs in the car. She always dedicated the one where Nala tells Simba she sees his potential, that he's got a king inside him. While watching it, he missed her, got all nostalgic. He fell asleep and dreamed about her. And when he woke up and opened Instagram, there she was, dancing with her coffee in hand, dancing to The Lion King. He messaged her, "No way, I literally watched that movie yesterday and thought about you so much." And she goes,
Get out! I watched it again recently too. And I've been listening to the soundtrack all day. I thought of you too. So weird, right?
"It's been forever. Want to grab a coffee?"
Oh my god! Yes, I'd love to see you.
And this poor guy thinks it was all just a crazy coincidence. No idea his brain had been massaged, manipulated, and slowly guided straight back to her. That's where the video ends, but there's a book I want to recommend. I wish I'd read it before turning 30. It shows you how a few key habit changes can totally shift your life in a short time. You can get in shape, build real confidence, and steer your love life and career in a whole new direction. When you change your habits, everything changes. Seriously, this one's worth reading.